Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining me on week number 2 of the December Declutter Challenge. Last week I went through all of our Christmas decorations and minimized it down to 2 suitcases. I'll leave a link to that first week's video below in the description box. This week I'm taking on a challenge called 60 in 60. The basic idea of the 60 in 60 challenge is to look for 60 items that can be either donated or sold in a matter of 60 minutes. And so I'm going to be taking my blue laundry basket from room to room in my house, looking for items that we no longer need or want. And at the end of 60 minutes, which I've got my timer here, I will take a look and make sure that I've got 60 items and see if I met the challenge or not. Time's up. As you can see, I was able to fill the laundry basket and it's overflowing. I had to set everything out on my bed. I'm going to go through and count and see if I have 60 items. I did not plan that exactly. That is 60 items. I'm counting the shoes as pairs. I'm counting the pillowcases as pairs as one item each. And 60 on the nose. Could not have planned that better. So, I met the challenge and all of the stuff is going to be sold or donated.